We all know that we have been trying to build your children's future, which some of you did build some of your children's future, while some didn't. And you wanted your children to achieve well in education, the key of success, so that you can be proud of them. So thank you for the support you have given us. Again, to the teachers. Teachers, you have taught us many things. You have taught us things like respect. You have taught us to respect and care for others. You made us see that you are talented, but in different ways. So thank you. Again, to the remaining learners. Thank you for everything you have done for us. You are with us all the time. So thank you. And again, I would like to say, please keep attending school because education is a key to success. The weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you.
Good day everyone. My name is Marutla and I'm in front of you to present grade 7 class. First of all, I would like to thank our parents for being there for us from gate I until today when we are standing in front of you. You have supported us from long time ago, parents, and we really appreciate it. Even this year, we still need your support because you are our parents. Secondly, I would like to thank teachers for being there for us, teaching us. Even if we fall down, they were getting us up, not losing their hope, saying that we didn't do well, so they are tired of us. You have shown us a right way that we really needed, and I thank you for that. Lastly, I would like to thank the remaining learners who were performing in front of us. You have really performed very well. Your dramas were really good. Even your speeches had really attached my heart. I want just say thank you for being there for us, and please respect your teachers until you finish your matric. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mokalapa Samantha and I'm in front of you today to do a speech for you. Before I start with my speech, I would like to thank the parents, teachers and learners. Firstly, I would like to thank the parents for coming to this farewell function. Parents, I would like to thank you for being with us all the days we needed you, and I would like to thank you for being with us all the days you have supported us. So thank you for what you have done for us. Secondly, to the teachers, I would like to thank you for being with us all the days, teaching us how to read and how to write, and supporting us. Even now I can stand in front of you and speak in English because of what you have done. Thank you. Lastly, to the remaining learners, I would like to thank you for being with us all the days, supporting us. Now we are in front of you, and because of your support, so thank you for what you have done. And I would like to thank you for your speeches, for what you have done in front. Your speeches were so good and your performance was so good. So thank you for what you have done.
Hey!
Hello ladies and gentlemen. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mosoane Glenda. I am 13 years old and I am in grade 7. I am in front of you to thank all First, I would like to thank the teachers for the wonderful things that they have done for us. You have made us see that we are all talented in different ways. You have made us who we are today. So thank you. Secondly, I would like to thank the parents for being there for us whenever we needed you. You have been supporting us all the way. You have taught us to respect and to care for others. So thank you. And lastly, I would like to thank the learners for their wonderful speech and for believing in us all the time. You have been an inspiration to us. You have been supporting us. I want to say a message to all of you. Please keep attending school because education is a key to success. I don't have many words of thank you, but I think thank you is just enough. And may God bless us, our future come true. Thank you.